Hi, I'm Scott Pruitt, race car driver and now winemaker. When the Gehl folks asked me what I use my equipment for, I said, what don't I use my equipment for? You look at this vineyard behind me, I did everything with my Gehl and all the attachments. I don't think people really think that the skid steer is the right piece of equipment to get the job done in vineyards and wineries. And I'm here to tell you it is. You look at what I did in the vineyard behind me, you look at what we do in our winery, we're just getting ready to put in another acre of fruit. It was used for everything: ripping, clearing, trenching, removal of rocks, leveling, and planting. From vineyard installation right into harvest. It was a perfect piece of equipment. And when guys figure this out, it's really going to be a game changer. I've spent hundreds of hours on my 5635 and my 6635. And then the Gehl folks introduced me to this beast right here, the RT165. With the track technology on this rocky hillside, I didn't think it could get better, but it did. The stability has been awesome on these hillsides, and I can tell you, from an operator standpoint, this machine has given me the confidence to get the job done day in and day out. Berry to bottle, this RT165 with all these attachments helps me get the job done. And did I mention this thing hauls ass? And you know me, I love to haul ass.